morning students, hope all are fine. So let me continue rational number. So let us first find out how many integers are there between minus 10 and minus 7. If you see the number line, okay, what is there? So you know 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Okay. So on a number line, so to the left of 0 negative, to the right of 0 you will have positive. Isn't it? So how many integers are there between minus 10 and minus 7? So you consider minus 10 and minus 7. So in between, which integers exist? Yes, minus 9 and minus 8. So there are two integers between minus 10 and minus 7. So you will have two integers. So similarly, if I want to find out, so number of rational numbers. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. If I want rational numbers between two rational numbers. So when any two rational numbers are given, how will you find out the rational numbers between that two rational numbers? So if I ask you, how many rational numbers are there between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10? If I ask you, how many rational numbers are there between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10? So you will write 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, because the denominators are same. What you will write? 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10. So between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10, if I ask, between how many rational numbers? So 3 by 10, 7 by 10. In between you will have 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10. So how many rational numbers are there? So there are 3 rational numbers. There are 3 rational numbers in between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. But that is not correct, because you have countless number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So I can say there are countless rational numbers between any two rational numbers. There are countless. You can't count it. So there are more. Isn't it? So it is infinite. Okay? Infinite number of rational numbers you can write between any two rational numbers. So countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. So there are countless rational number means it is infinite number of rational numbers are there. Okay, so you can write. So then how will you write between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10? There are 3 only. No, you can multiply both numerator and the denominator by 10 if I multiply. Similarly, Yeah, you can write there are 39 rational numbers. I can write 39 rational numbers. So first it was 3, now it is 39. So instead of 10, let me multiply by 1000. Because if 1000 goes again, I will get 7 by 10, 3 by 10, isn't it? So 3000 by 10,000, 7,000 by 10,000. Okay. So in between, how many rational numbers will you write? You tell me now. How many? Yes. So you can write 3001 by 10,000, 3002 by 10,000, 3003 by 10,000 up to 6,999 by 10,000. Okay, so there are how many? 3,999 rational numbers. So you will get in between, if I count 1, 2, 3 up to 99. So 3 plus 3 is 6, so 3,999 rational numbers are there in between given rational number. So first we said only 3 are there. After that we said 39. After that we said 3,999. So if I multiply by 10,000, again it will become more, isn't it? So like that you get countless number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So when you multiply accordingly, the number of rational numbers you get between the two rational numbers will vary. Okay? Understood now? Yes. Similarly, if I ask how many rational numbers, how many rational numbers are there between minus 1 by 10 and 3 by 10. If I ask how many rational numbers are there between minus 1 by 10 and 3 by 10. How many rational numbers? You tell me. So in the number line, what you will have? Minus 1 by 10, then 0 by 10. Next, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, then 3 by 10. So, how many rational numbers between minus 1 by 10 and 3 by 10? So, these two are given. So, now you can say only 3 are there. Again, when I multiply minus 1 by 10 into 10, both numerator as well as the denominator. by 10. What I will have? Minus 10 by 100. Then 1 tens are there, 10 tens are 100. 30 by 100. So in between I can write, which are the thing I can write, you tell me? 0 by 100, 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 3 by 100 up to 29. Isn't it? So again I will get 29 plus 0. I will get 30. So there are 30 rational numbers between these two if I write. So by seeing all this, I can say there are countless rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So if I want to write in between the rational numbers, 10 means minus 9 by 100, minus 8 by 100, minus 7 by 100, isn't it? It goes on up to 29 by 100. So 0 to 29 is 29, 0 to 1 to 29 is 29, then 0 is 30, then 9. 39 I will have. Again I will get 39 rational numbers. Okay. Similarly, if I multiply by 1000, I will get 3999 rational numbers. So there are countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Understood now? Yes. Now, write any three rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. Okay. So he is asking any three rational numbers. So you can consider, if there is a integer, you consider it is minus 2 by 1, that is 2, 0 by 1 is 0. So multiply by 10, both numerator as well as the denominator. Okay, what you will get? Minus 20 by 10. Then 0 into anything is 0 by 10. So in between, what you will have? Minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10, up to minus 1 by 10. So, whereas here he is asking, write any three rational numbers. So, you can write any three in this. So, therefore, three rational numbers between minus 2 and 0 is, okay, and 0 is what I will get. Three rational numbers between minus 2 and 0 is, I can write minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, minus 17 by 10. Okay. So if you are given any two integers, multiply. If you put 1 divided by 1, you get the same number. So you can write any integers in the form of a rational number by putting 1 in the denominator. Okay. Then multiply both numerator by anything. If you want 10, if you want 100 also, you can multiply by 100 and you can write. So it is not only by 10. You can multiply in terms of multiples of 10. Okay. no problem. Right. Any 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. So, write any 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. See here, are they same? The denominator are same? No. Here the denominators are different. First, you make it as an equivalent fraction. Okay? Then you can do it. So, let me consider minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. So, since the denominator is different, let me find out the LCM of the denominators. So, let me find out 6, 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then 3 1s are 3. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are. So, LCM is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. So, 24 is the LCM. So, to change it over to 24, you know, 6 4s are 24. So, minus 5 4s are 20. 8 3s are 24. Multiply the number by the numerator also. So, you will get 15 by 24. So, now the denominator is same. Here he is asking write any 10. You will have 10, isn't it? So, in between means I will have minus 19 by 24. Minus 14 by 24, minus 13 by 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Otherwise we can write 1 by 24 up to 14 by 24 also. Anything you can. Any numbers between these two. Okay, understood now? Yes. So, when the denominator is same, there is no problem. When the denominator is different, you must take the LCM of it, make the denominator same, that is equivalent fraction, then you do it. Okay? Then. Find the rational numbers. Between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So, you can see that not only this method by multiplying both numerator as well as the denominator by 10 and by taking LCM, There is another method, that means you can find the rational numbers between those two. You find the average of it. If A is 1 by 4 and B is 1 by 2, you find out A plus B by 2. That will also give you the rational number between any two numbers. Okay? So let me consider on the number line, if I consider, okay, you know 0, then this is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1, isn't it? So I want 1 by 4. So you know 1 by 4 is here. So in between what will occur? Okay. So what is the LCM of 1 by 4 and 2? 4. You know. Isn't it? Otherwise, this with method we have already find out. Let me do A plus B by 2. If A is 1 by 4 and B is 1 by 2. If I do by this method, I will have A plus B 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Okay? Again you must find out the LCM of these two. 8, because you have to add. So you will have the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Isn't it? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. 2 1s are 2 2. So LCM is 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 1s are, so 1 1s are 1 plus 2 2s are 4, so 1 2s are 2 divided by 2. What is 1 plus 2? Yes, 3 by 4 divided by 2. 3 by 4 divided by 2. Division becomes multiplication if you write the reciprocal of the second rational number. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2, so that it will become multiplication. So 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8, so 3 by 8. So what is the rational number that exists between half and 1 by 4 is 3 by. Again you can find out by doing these two. Again one more you can find out by doing 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. So everything is possible. Okay. Again if you want to do, let me show you. How will you do this? So now I can write rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is 3 by 8. Now I can find one more also. How? Rational number divided by 2 by 1. What is 2 plus 3? Yes, 5 by 8. Division becomes multiplication. If you write the reciprocal of it, 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. So 5 ones are 5, 2 eights are 16. So 5 by 16. So in between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8, it is 5 by 16. So like that also you can find so many rational numbers. Okay? Understood now? Yes. So you can find out what? How many you can find out? You can find out infinite number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. You can write countless number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Hope you have understood this. Let me continue in the next class. Thank you, students.